Hey everyone, today we'll learn how to create a Notion account and create a page. Let's start by searching for Notion in your web browser and clicking on the first link that appears. Once you're on the Notion homepage, look for the Login button and click on it to begin the account creation process. Notion offers several sign-in options, and I recommend choosing Continue with Google as it's quick and convenient, though you can choose other options as well. After selecting Google, you'll be prompted to choose your Gmail account. Simply click Continue to proceed. You'll then be redirected to Notion's onboarding page, where you'll need to make some important decisions about how you want to use the platform. Notion will ask you to choose how you want to use it, for work, for personal life, or for school. You can also choose your preferred language from the top left corner, but I'll keep the default English setting. Next, you'll be asked to choose between My Own or With Others. I'll select My Own since choosing With Others will cost you $12 per month for proper authentication features. You'll then be asked to select what you'll be using Notion for, or you can skip the step for now. I'll choose Skip for now to keep things simple. Notion will also offer to install a desktop app, but I'll go with Skip as there isn't much difference between the web and desktop versions. Finally, you can choose to integrate with a calendar, but I'll skip this integration and leave that decision up to you. Congratulations, you now have a Notion account and can see the default welcome pages that Notion provides to help you get started. From the top left corner of your Notion interface, you can click on Settings to change your profile icon or modify any other account settings. I'll click on Settings to show you the available options. Here you can customize your profile, manage your account, and even delete the account if you decide you don't like Notion. You can create a new page using the pencil icon that's prominently displayed in the interface. There's also a double inward arrow button that allows you to hide the left navigation menu. Click it to collapse the sidebar, and click it again to bring the navigation menu back. If you click on the drop-down menu in your account section, you'll also get options to create a work account or add another account to your current session. Additionally, you can create a new workspace from this menu or use the triple dot menu to join or create workspaces as needed. Let's explore the Team Space creation feature. You can access this by going to the left sidebar and clicking on Settings, then navigating to Team Space, where we'll create our first Team Space. Click on New Team Space to begin the setup process. You'll be prompted to add an icon and name for your team space along with an optional description. I'll keep the description blank for simplicity, then click on Create Team Space to finalize the creation. Notion will then ask you if you want to invite people to your new team space. You can invite team members if you want, but I'll skip this for now to keep things simple. Once created, you can see a list of members in the team space. At the moment, I am the only one since we didn't invite anyone. Click Close to finish the team space setup. Now, in your left navigation menu, you can see your team name and a default page automatically. You can add new pages to your team space by clicking the plus icon. This will open a modal where you can choose from various page types. I'll choose Empty Database as it's a versatile starting point for organizing information. If you hover over the new database you just created, you'll see a three-dot menu that gives you options to manage the page, including the ability to move it to trash. Now let's clean up the workspace by deleting all the default pages that Notion created. This will give you a cleaner starting point. After cleaning up, let's add one empty page to the team space and give it a title like Welcome to Notion. This will help you get familiar with creating and naming pages. The page will automatically appear in your left navigation menu, making it easy to access and organize your content. That's it for this video tutorial on getting started with Notion. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Let me know in the comments if you need help with anything else related to Notion.